Hello heroes. Today in this very important video, we are going to talk about what you need to prepare you for your upcoming scanning appointment. First off, the hair. It's important to note that for the benefit of your scan, your hair will be covered by a cap provided by Metahero. This will enable us to capture the essential and accurate dimensions of your head shape, which in turn will allow you to try on an ever-increasing range of realistic hairstyles within our app. Hair is one of the hardest things to capture and animate, and so this method allows us to ensure that you aren't walking around the digital world with a static block haircut that doesn't look nor move realistically. If you have long hair, please pin it up so that the provided cap will fit as best as possible. Also, if you have a beard, it is hugely advised that you shave it, since that way you will have the accurate details and texture of your face captured in your avatar's scan. And don't worry, we will provide a range of beard styles for you to add to your avatar later. All of this will be designed by our 3D graphics team separately, using methods that will look more realistic than a scan can achieve. Regarding clothing, please note that in order to capture the most accurate scan possible, you will be getting scanned in your own underwear. For women, when picking which bra to wear, preferably this should be in a beige colour. For all those getting scanned, when it comes to underwear, we want to avoid black, white, and translucent colours that will reflect the light. Your underwear should not be loose, but should be fitted to the body for the most accurate capture of your body shape. We would like to make clear that we understand people can be nervous about being in their undergarments. So please note that our scanner locations will be a safe and private environment for all. And at no point will anyone see your scan in an underdressed state without your explicit consent. And finally, makeup. We ask that people arrive on site without makeup for their scan. A simple layer of makeup may be applied by our team to help us with any issues of light reflection. If you follow these steps mentioned, you give us the best opportunity to provide you with the highest scan quality possible. Please make sure to visit metahero.io if you haven't booked your appointment yet. And to those of you that have, we look forward to seeing you soon.